Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to Russell Hobbs Texas Plus Black Kettle with dual finish and of course rapid boiling function. That means you have a perfect pour and you save up to 70% of energy, a stylish matte and high gloss finish, and it boils 1 cup in only 45 seconds. We have rapid boil zones with 1, 2, 3 cup markings. This is either for faster boiling, appliance, and saving energy as well. Rapid boil zone marker, idiot pure spout, illuminating on off switch, and 360 degrees base with cord, of course. It's available in black, as you can see, in gray and white. It comes with 1.7 liter of volume, and it comes with 3000 watt power. That means this is a good electronic kettle, of course, because this makes a good job in your kitchen, and it boils up water rapidly. An electric water boiler or an thermopot is a consumer electronics small appliance used for boiling water and maintaining it at a constant temperature in an enclosed reservoir. It is typically used to provide an immediate source of hot water for making tea, hot chocolate, coffee, instant noodles, or of course baby formula, or for any other household use where clean hot water is required. They are a common component of Japanese kitchens and the kitchens of many East Asia countries, but are found in various uses globally. Smaller units are portable. Some thermopots are designed with a feature that can purify water too. That's really cool. An electric water boiler consists of a water reservoir with the heating elements at the bottom. Some models offers multiple temperature settings. In this case here we can only switch it on, then the boiling process is running, and if the water is boiling it will automatically shut off. Other models are part of a large water system that boil water and provide hot, cold, and lukewarm water. In this case here, you can insert water, and if you does not boil it, you can use it as a kettle too, of course. But if you are going to boil it, you have to plug it in to your power supply and then push the button. Oh yeah, that's really easy and fast. Electric water boilers have a built-in thermostat that detects when the water has reached its boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius. These are 212 degrees Fahrenheit, to automatically shut off. It's a nice and easy to use device, and it's really good for your kitchen, for your tea, for your coffee, and so many other things. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.